It really makes them feel like heroes because they're launching something new and cool that the company really needs. My name is Jeff Ernst. I am the founder and CEO of SlapFive. And SlapFive is a software company that helps our clients turn their customers into their best sales and marketing people. Every one of my customers needs integration with Salesforce and every other system as well. Previously, we were trying to do that with Zapier, and it just wasn't enterprise scale. It was simple to set up, but it just didn't have the performance because we knew we were going to have millions of transactions a year. And in the sales cycle, we'd get asked, can you integrate with this? And we'd have to say, yeah, but that's going to be a custom project. And then in the post-sales environment, it would just take too long to get our customers live and experiencing value, which made us realize we needed a solution to this problem that's going to allow us to rapidly deliver these integrations. And as the product leader for the company, I was also thinking about how do I make these as repeatable as possible. First decision was to go with an iPaaS solution, and then evaluating the iPaaS solutions, we felt Workato was the best one to be embedded, to be part of our technology stack. Now we're using Workato to automate. And so you think about that type of manual process that our customers are doing. We said, everybody's got a different permutation, a different variation of that workflow. Now we can handle anything they throw at us. It really allows us to tailor and design our software around a customer's existing process as opposed to the other way around. So the feeling of solving that problem is amazing. There's nothing like it when my customers actually launch these automated workflows that we've built with them on Workato. That's probably the biggest gratification I get in my job, is seeing my customers go live with these workflows. If you talk to the salespeople, they are absolutely thrilled because they can say yes to anything that our prospects throw at us. And then on the post-sales side, they love it because they can get their job done faster, because we have this mantra of VIFM, value in the first month. And so we want to make sure every customer is experiencing that first value outcome within the first 30 days. And Workato is key to us being able to do that. And we're incredibly vested in Workato's technology direction, and especially how is Workato embracing AI. One of the big things that we're doing now involves MCP, and my CTO believes that MCP is the wave of the future for AI. So we've built an MCP interface over our platform and data, and excited to hear that Workato is really embracing MCP as well. So SlapFive has turned Workato into a revenue generating engine and a competitive advantage to totally exceed client expectations.